What's up, guys? Roscoe here, and I'm back with an update on my challenge on turning $0 into wealth. And today we got a good one. I turned $34 into $346.29. You guys got to stick around to see how I did this. Let's go.
Rain wash away all the stains undone. There's a pain in my heart every time you're
Roscoe here, and if you are new here, what I do is I teach you how you can turn small investments into wealth and grow bigger and bigger profits. But all I do is ask you to smash the like button and go ahead and subscribe. It helps me get this channel out more so I can get this out to more and more audiences and just get the news out. But for now, you're in the groove, so you get to know this first. Last video we went into some risky smaller stocks with high volume so that we could get some quick turnarounds and some quick gains. We were actually able to get a respectable $273. I'll make sure to post that video up here. You can click that so that way you can get caught up with the whole challenge so far. So far this is episode 3 of the challenge. With that $273 last video, we invested $184 of it into our first Amazon FBA product. I am super excited about that. It is on its way here. We are waiting for it to come from China. It will be about 20 to 30 days left for it to get here, but in the meantime we still have $89 left over. I'm not just gonna let that sit there and wait until the product gets here. We're gonna reinvest that $89 into a new hustle. And today we're starting something fun. We're gonna go into the reselling game. We're gonna be flipping stuff on eBay, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace. And how we're gonna do that is we're gonna find items at a liquidation store. This is a Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy overstock liquidation store. It's gonna be the returns, overstock, broken boxes, or broken open boxes, and everything like that. Now, I've never been to one of these. I'm really excited to get my hands in the door here. I've seen videos online with people pulling out PlayStation 4s and Xboxes and AirPods and all this crazy stuff for just a few dollars. Today at our store it's only $4, so whatever we find we'll be able to purchase it for $4. We have $89, so we'll be able to grab quite a few items. I'm looking for items that I'm able to flip quite quickly. I'm not going to want to get something that I'm sitting around with a couple months holding on to trying to get a $20 gain. Nah, I'm going to pass those items up. I'm trying to get stuff that I can sell within the week that I'll be able to get $20, $25, $30 gains. But if I can, that'd be great, but we don't know. We're just going to find out what we find. But the store just opened up, and every minute we're sitting here waiting, we're losing out on stock. So I'm going to go there. We're going to head out there right now. Let's go. I'm here at the liquidation bins, and today we have a few dollars to spend. We're going to see if we can flip anything here, find anything good. They recently just redid this, so I'm gonna go in there, see what we find. I'm gonna take a few shots in there, bring the GoPro, see if I find anything. But then once we get back to the house, when I really will break down how everything went, what the sales were like, and we'll see if we came up with anything. Let's find out. But today we hit the liquidation bins here, and we're gonna see if we have anything to flip. So unfortunately my GoPro died. I didn't charge it correctly the day before, but when I got in there I found this exercise ball. I opened up the box, got yelled at. I guess you're not supposed to open up these boxes while you're in here, but I wanted to make sure all the parts were in here. A lot of these pieces are running around crazy. I was able to switch over to my phone again. I found this calendar. This probably would have been worth something. Straight up sealed, brand new, 2021, but I passed it because I didn't know what I was doing at the time. I was anxious. I also just kind of kept looking. Here's a nice view of my shoes. I did a great job here. Found a flamingo, a blow-up doll. I was looking around and got this thermometer. It looked like it worked. Kind of passed it up too. I didn't really get much shots of good stuff. There's a... Oh, I should have probably edited that part out. There's that calendar again. Okay. And then I was kind of digging around the bins. I found some good... oh boy, did we score. I feel like we hit the big one. We hit a jackpot. That was really fun. I know that I'm super excited about that. I'm sorry that my camera died. I got a few shots on my phone, but it was kind of choppy. I apologize. We're going to do better next time. They do restock on Thursday. I had so much fun. I will be back to definitely do that again once they got a new truck in. Today it was $4 day. We were able to get 8 items. After taxes, it was roughly around $34, which is a great deal. We got a great deal here. So let's get into some of these items that we got. So today you saw on the camera that I did get one good item. In the video you did see me find this right here, this exercise ball. I was very excited about it. It was one of my first finds. I was kind of anxious when I got in there and I just didn't really know what to look for. There's so much stuff there, it was kind of overwhelming. I figured this would be a good sell. I looked it up on eBay, it's selling for about $39. After shipping, I'd only really make $10 off of this. So I'm not sure if it's even worth it or if I'm gonna just keep it for myself and put it in my home gym. But it was my first little find. It was definitely my least profitable find. It's a $10 profit. We're just gonna take it. We'll take it where it is. It's $10. Next, I've got this Lazzle. It's a blood pressure monitoring machine. It was one of the first electronics that I saw. Again, I didn't really know what to look for. I'm just going in there blind. I should have done a little bit more research, but hey, you gotta go in there, try some things before you know. This one right here, I figured it would be worth quite a bit. I mean, it's a medical device, it's an electronic. I went to look it up. They're selling for about $45 on eBay. It's quite heavy, so shipping it would be a little bit. I might do that route, but I'm gonna try to do the Facebook Marketplace route first and try to just sell it for $30 straight up. Would give me about a $26 profit on it. I would take that. If not, I'll take the $30 profit off of eBay, but it might sit there for about a week or two. I think I could sell this pretty quick on Facebook Marketplace. I see them selling pretty quick. I think this was a pretty good come up. We're gonna go $26 profit on the Lazzle automatic blood pressure monitor machine. Next is this reptile square right here. It is a heating pad for your reptiles cage. It is completely in the package, completely sealed. I could sell this on Amazon, but I was looking at the comps and I think eBay is actually going to be the best route for this one. It's selling for $27.99 on eBay. It sells every day. They've sold quite a bit of them right here on this listing right here. I think I'm going to just try to undercut it, sell it for $26.99. I'll just, take my little bit of profits there. After shipping and everything, give me about $17.99 profit, $17.99 in profits, $18.99 in profits, depending on how I list it. I think it will sell within the day how fast these other ones are selling. So that's why I grabbed it. There was quite a bit of them, and we gotta test it out. I'm gonna test this one and see if I can sell how quick it sells. But this one right here, giving us a quick $18.99. Okay, so next we have this Teola Moonlight. This right here has 3 different shades. It is a mounted light that you put up. It's got a warm light, neutral light, and a cool light. It sells for $40 on eBay. I would throw it up on Amazon, but this box is a little bit broken up on here on me, and I believe lighting is restricted, and I'm not gonna get ungated in lighting. So I'm actually throwing this up on eBay. This is going to be a $39.99, $40 listing. I've seen them sold plenty of times for that right there with these comms right there. I'm going to take a $5 shipping as well. It will give me a respectable $31 in profit off of my $4 investment right here. I found it right when I was checking out. It was one of the last things I saw. I was like, this has got to be worth something. I might as well just grab it. I was in the mood. But right here, this $34. I love it. But Roscoe, I thought you said you scored, man. These are good, decent profits, but these aren't crazy or anything. I thought you had something crazy for us. Sweet. Wait, we're starting small, getting big. We're getting big. Don't worry. The good stuff will be at the end. I promise you I got something that's going to shock you at the very end of this. Just make sure you stick around. All right. So now we found a few new things. This one right here is brand new in the package. It is a Sunset Cruiser wheels for a cruiser board. It is green. It's got neon lights implanted in them. No batteries needed. It is a great product right here. It's got a pretty good sales rank, so I'm excited about that. It's going to sell pretty quick. I've got this listed for $24.99 plus shipping, which is $5 or so. After fees and everything, it is going to give me a $21 profit. Wait, no. Just kidding. I marked that wrong. It's giving me a $24 profit. Hey, every dollar counts. $24 profit on these wheels. I'm going to take it. That's another big score. It's also on Amazon, so it'll sell quick and it'll be a pretty harmless transaction. Okay, so we're getting into the last couple items here. I got the Ha-Sun handheld. It's a handheld. Roscoe, come on, goodness gracious. It is a handheld shower head that you can remove. It has got an on and off switch. It is brand new in the box, never been opened. Must have been a return or a overstock item. I'm going to list it on Amazon. I'm listing it for $29.99 plus shipping. That is comps to how it's listed for everywhere else. I think I'll be able to get it sold within the week. This one right here will give me a $26 profit. Pretty respectable. It'll sell quick. Had to grab it while I saw it. I didn't really do much research on it while I was there. I saw there was quite a few of them. So next time when I go, if they've got some more of these, I'll probably pick them up. Okay, I told you I got a couple surprises at the end. We're getting into the big stuff. I was just walking around. I look at the bottom of the barrel and I find this right here. Still wrapped. As you can see, it's still in the wrapping. Never been touched. It is a US Robotics. This one right here is actually a fax modem, perfect for offices. It is a pretty high-tech one. This thing right here is gonna give me super big profits because I can sell it on Amazon. It's never really even been touched. I don't even know why I was at the store. I love this. And since I was able to purchase it for $4, I'm able to beat every other price listed on Amazon. So I got the lowest price listed. I will sell this tomorrow. I'm almost positive. This right here is listed for $75 plus $5.99 in shipping. After fees and everything, this is gonna give me a $70 profit. I'm really stoked about this. You really can't beat that. For $4, I'm turning $4 into $70 on one item just for 20 minutes of my time. I'm going back to this liquidation place. I'm almost gonna go back every day. We'll see what happens. I might get addicted. But here's this. This was a really good find. And then I was all hyped about finding that. I'm doing my thing. I'm crawling through the bins. I'm pushing people to the side. Just kidding. It's COVID. You don't touch no one. Practice safe distancing, you know. But I'm just kidding. I'm going around through the bins. I'm finding my things. I'm looking and I'm like, wait a minute. Is that another completely wrapped up electronic? What is this? This is a D-Link router right here. This is a bigger router right here. It's one of the larger versions that they have. This is also an office style router. This is going to be perfect for Amazon. If it doesn't sell on Amazon, it'll sell on eBay, but I'm posting it on Amazon first. This one right here is huge profits. Huge. Got this listed for $159.99 plus shipping. This is a huge find right here. I don't know why no one else really picked this one up. I've really stocked. I was talking to the lady at the store. They said that they restock on Thursdays. I'm like, she said the items get much better. I'm like, how do they get better than this? I'm finding $153 items for $4. I don't know how it's going to get much better than that, but I'm going to do a part 2 on this video, and we'll be going back Thursday to see what exactly is there. I'll be first in line. But after all these items right here, after this $140 profits, that brought our total to $346.29. Off of $34 investment. I'm shook. I'm still shook. It's crazy. I went in there thinking to spend $89. I obviously only bought items that I was gonna be able to sell quick and quick profits. If I really wanted to hold on to items, the profit margins could even be crazier. But I just didn't have, I'm not in that patience. I didn't have other things to do. I don't want to just sit there and hold items for a long time. We're here for quick bucks. We're trying to get them quick sales. And I think we're gonna be able to get them with here. I'll also give you an update on the videos once these things sell. But for now, we're going to add these to our profit totals. We had $55 left over from the $89 that we didn't spend. We turned that 34 into $346.29, bringing our new total to invest $401.29. That is awesome. So we have $401.29 in the bank. Plus, we have an Amazon FBA item coming in the mail that should be arriving within 10 to 15 days. This is awesome for us. We are going to be able to profit from about $600 from the FBA items and still start more and more investment streams with that $400. Like I said, I'll be going back in a couple days to that liquidation store to see if I'm able to profit some more and see if I can find some more stuff. But again, I'll be trying other streams as well in the meantime. But for now, I'm off with $401.29 to find our next investment. Let's go.